Hello, this is me, Ali Raza. I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and Bing Ads certified advertising professional, SEO consultant, and owner of a Google partner company. And today I'm here with an amazing case study regarding Google Merchant Center account, which was initially suspended for website needs improvement and then eventually turned into misrepresentation. So it was have the two errors, and we did a lot of work on it. And surprisingly, what if I tell you that when we were working on the case, one of the Google agents said to us that the Google Ads account uh, associated with this merchant center is suspended, which is why uh, your account is not being able to restore. So get your Google Ads account restored. And when we went to the Google Ads team, they said that first restore the Google Merchant Center account. So it was a hassle definitely for us, but for our client as well. And thankfully, our client was very willing and very supportive and patient. So that thing, give us an added advantage that our client was smooth, patient, and was able to be adaptive in doing any changes on the website. We tried many changes. We had to do many undergoes. We did. Uh, you like it took us more than 3 months to be honest, and the reason it took us 3 months, we even sorted out images, the descriptions. There were too much stuff, and so all the credit goes to the team, my team. My team was very supportive with me as well, and they also worked along with the client, and we combinedly get the account up and restored. So before I go on, I'm let me show you an account, and then you can see further discuss on. So you can see that this is a recent uh, restoration. You can see over here 11th October, today is 20th October, so you can see it's a recent one. And I'm going to show you a few things as well. And first I'm going to show you the restoration message, and then few of the data which we I'm going to discuss with you guys as well. So stay with me on this. So first of all, you can see over here the data, the final restoration email, which was uh, one of my team member got it, and we didn't press the request review button, and we got it manually approved through the team discussion. And you can see over here that they discuss about the account. You can match it, you can match over here as well, and you can match it later on as well. And then they say that post consulting the issue with the wider team, it was informed that the account has been reapproved for misrepresentation. Also, as per the wider team, below mentioned details were shared in order to make the improvement on the website. Placeholder images or title, generic returns or about us page text. Please make sure that there are no placeholder images or titles, and there are no generic returns or about us page text. Please follow the above share recommendations so that the account may not get flagged in the future. So this was a very detailed reply, and we got it like after 20-30 emails, and a constant follow up and constant doing of the changes, and then we are reviewing the website with other approved websites and other approved accounts, discussing the story as well. So I'm sharing with you that this is a very important information. When we were working on the website, we even thought the payment methods could be the problem. I'm going to show you as well. Regarding that could be a problem, we worked very hard on that as well. We thought that the payment method we are accepting, we need to get it cross verified. We worked on the Facebook account, social media networks, we cross verified it. We worked on the robot XT file, we worked it on the descriptions, we worked it on each and every page. Like we tested on the track your order page is working or not. We looked on the Shopify for any possible errors over there. We looked on the each to each case study. We worked on the checkout procedure, like is the checkout procedure working fine or not. And then when we were doing it, we looked on the reviews on the page we had, and then everything, like if we are having this price tag, and if we adding the quantity, is it matching or not. Is like if you are adding buy two, are you getting an additional 5% off on this discount or not. So there were so many things, so many issues that we had to go through the detail. We have around like 50 to 60 step points. We are now doing an audit for Google Budget Center, because Google has recently been getting very strict with the approval of Google Budget Center account. So we also have to look on other factors, and we work with the Google support team to get more data, like I have shown you regarding the about us page information we got. And that is the information they didn't give on the first attempt, but rather after too much attempts we get it. But the account was got restored. I'm going to share you few more data as well, like We worked on the placeholders. We found few more placeholders. We worked on the page speed. We even looked on the page 404 pages, plagiarized content, product description. We also worked on the robot x60. We worked on the Google Map listing, return policies. I mean, this is a final email which I'm going to tell you that like this was we got after 10 to 20 reports and the changes we got it, and because I'm telling you that it took us around 3 months to get it restored, to make it over here that we can see that the account is running fine. And what if I tell you that the Google Ads account is still being suspended and we are going to get it restored as well. And you can see over here that the have 8,609 approved items still with 20 pending items. There are no account issues on the account, so that is a winning edge over here. So yeah, this is another successful case study regarding Google Merchant Center account restoration. So in case if you need Google Merchant Center account restoration services, or if you need help with Google Ads, Facebook Ads, or Bing Ads account suspension, or if you need help with Google Ads, Facebook Ads, campaign setup, campaign audit, management services, SEO services, you need help with web development, me and my team can definitely help you with web development, landing pages, SEO, and all the stuff. All you have to do is simply click on the link in the description to reach with us and work with us. So we look forward working with you. And guys, if you like this video, make sure to like and share, and definitely subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon so that whenever I create a new video, you guys get a notification regarding it. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching. Take care and bye bye.